Attention of the House is drawn to the attempt to create fear and anxiety by misrepresenting the provisions of the Goa State Fortune Bona Vasanta Act 2024, whose principles are embedded in the Constitution of India, especially with Article 296. The bill seeks to protect land of Goans, especially those lying vacant and abandoned and are at risk from illegal encroachments, fraudulently transfers and land grabs. The steps the government will take to clarify and counter the false propaganda of the act. To answer, I'll speak or you'll answer and then I'll speak.
I'll answer. Speaker sir, the calling attention motion draws attention to the misleading and fear-inducing social media campaign by Honorable MLA Mr. Carlos Alvaro Naron Ferreira against the Goa SG Ferreira for Future and Bona Vicenta Act 2024. Through a recent video post, the MLA has misrepresented the law by terming it as a means of land grabbing by the government, thereby attempting to create panic and confusion among Goans, particularly those residing abroad. However, in reality, the Act has been enacted with the sole purpose of safeguarding unclaimed, abandoned or disputed land of Goans for fraudulent transactions, illegal encroachment and land grabbers. It does not affect the lawful rights of genuine landlords or their heirs. Such misrepresentation by an elected representative is misleading the public and indirectly supports the cause of land grabbers. Hence, as a minister of the government of Goa, I hereby place on record the true objective and safeguard of this legislation. Issue clear public communication to reassure Goans about their property rights and take appropriate measures to counter false propaganda that is detrimental to public trust. Speaker sir, I had clearly, actually when this bill was brought into this house, I had clearly explained why this bill basically was brought. And in spite of that, actually, our honorable member actually started giving a wrong color to this full bill.
Because sir, ह्या हाडपाचे म्हजो हय एक्चुअली हांवें सांगून आसलें पण ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक हांवें हो इशू काडला. एक व्हिडिओ सर्क्युलेट जाता कोंकणी न्यूजाक आमचे गोंयचे जनतेचे म्हणजे गोंयान आसले न्ही गोंयचे भायर आसलेले गोंयचे लोकांक आनी म्हाका कितले जाणांनी तो व्हिडिओ धाडलो. हांव ऑनरेबल आमचो आमदार कार्लोस बाब जो आसा एक कलीग आसा ही इज अ कलीग ऑफ लिगल फेटर्निटी ही इज गॉट हायेस्ट रेप्यूट एज एडवोकेट. He's a senior advocate for the High Court of Goa. And he took his speaker sir. Then he सांगला थोडी गोष्टी बऱ्यो आसा पण whether he has to clarify तो व्हिडिओ जो सर्क्युलेट जाता whether ते कट पेस्ट कितें आता खूब जाता कट पेस्ट करून खंयचो व्हिडिओ खंय घालता. His intentions were clear. He said that you have to pay your electricity bills in time, that your सुसेगाद outlook जो आसा वो आसपाक जायना. He said, share your keys with your neighbors so that you can keep your house clean. आणि नेबरांक सांग कोण येयलो जाल्यार आपणाक कळय नाल्यार तेजेर नोटीस मार दाराचेर की कोण जर येयलो जाल्यार म्हाका फोन कर की हे घर म्हाजें. हें सगळें बरें आहा पूण तितून भितर दुसरें घातलें की एक हें काडलां whether he has seriously said it to saying that caution because government is now going to rob your lands or grab your lands or whatever. So I wanted to know from the Honorable House and Honorable Minister whether this law which was brought is very specific, and I will show you in the Constitution, which I don't have to tell my colleague, that lands which are not titled are already in the Constitution belonging to the government to the particular government, and it is already there. Now this bill was brought for a particular purpose, and that is why I think one court is also established. I mean for different reasons. म्हणजे इतलेच हे आशिल्ले की जो एप्रिहेन्शन जे गोंयचे लोकांचे भायर आसा म्हणजे जे दुसऱ्या देशांनी म्हाका फोन करून तो व्हिडिओ धाडलो आनी एप्रिहेन्शन हे आमचे तकलेन आसा खऱ्यांनी सरकार तुजो जागो घेतलो काय कितें तो हेजेर म्हाका क्लॅरिफिकेशन बाबूशान सांगलां पूण म्हाका दिसता हेजें आनीक स्पश्टीकरण जावपाक जाय कारण की आय विल जस्ट रीड एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर हांव फक्त कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाची थोडी गोष्टी सांगता. इवन LRC भितर आसा प्रोविजन if the land survey number now that belongs to the government. Now here comes that the lands which are having survey numbers, houses which are existing, whether it will belong to government, I don't think so. If there's somebody who is going to claim the land, who is going to have the land, and in his speech during the bill, he has clearly mentioned about this, Speaker, sir. So it is my duty to bring it to the House, notice of the House. I only want clarification from Honorable colleague, Honorable MLA Kalus Bab, Senior Advocate, whether his video which is circulated is got cut paste korun gatla, that also he has to clarify. And Honorable CM has also to clarify whether the bill brought by the Revenue Minister is to rob the lands of Goans as claimed in the video. माचे clarify करचे मागे राम पोतू बोलता स्पीकर मग अनेक मिनिट उलो बदी
my minister answer did us only to anchor to only ten only money and
क्वालिफिकेशन मुगेले
you speak. I'm saying after the minister, you're saying after he speaks, you're going to speak. There are so many people who want to speak. Later you speak.
Why I'm saying in that video of Kalus Bab, that particular whoever
That the minister has to decide. No?
Speaker sir,
You're deciding. You're becoming minister before 8th August.
listen to me. Speaker sir, in the video it is showing that in the video he is not saying about it, but in the video he is saying that 60 such properties and houses are identified.
No such inspection or such survey has taken place, identifying any houses so far.
That is why I want to speak. असे हम clarification मागता. हांव माझे आणि काय ना खूप जणांनी म्हणजे फक्त इतले क्लॅरिफिकेशन की ऑनरेबल कलीग आमचो माल्या मागीर तेणे कोण तो तेणे कितें फतवा काडला तेका तशें जावपा नाका फतवा काडपाचें तो म्हाज्या बद्दल गेल्लो म्हण हा
फतवा
तुझ्या रे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटान तेका काडलो तो आमी फ्रेंड आमी सोयले केन्नाचे हा तो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटान वळखना तो जाले हे दोसो हे क्लॅरिफिकेशन
सगळे काँग्रेसमॅन फ्रेंड मरे तू फ्रेंड तू काँग्रेस आल्लो पयलो तेच केला
केन्नाच्यान रे बाबा
Honorable Speaker, I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection to this resolution, calling attention, which is completely misleading. And I will tell you why it's misleading. Please read this. Attention of the House is drawn to the attempt to create fear and anxiety by misrepresenting the provisions of the Goa Estates Forfeiture and Bona Vacancia Act 2024, whose principles are embedded in the Constitution of India, especially within Article 296. Please read this sentence. The bill seeks to protect land of Goans, especially those lying vacant and abandoned and are at risk from illegal encroachments, fraudulent transfers and land grabbers. Your statement, objects and reasons clearly says, I will show this, a bill to provide for taking over of charge, management, administration, supervision, custody and disposal of property vested in the state of Goa, Qua Ultima Harris, which means as the last heir, under Article 296 of the Constitution of India, by escheat or lapse or as bona vacancia and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. I said when this bill was brought, I didn't say it outside, I said it in the floor of the House, this is an official land grab.
Speaker, sir, object.
And I mentioned it, you never said
object
that
for
time.
this. तो चुकीचे अर्थ जो असा पळय तो
I made the statement, you didn't object.
तेच सांगता
I didn't, you didn't object, I made the statement.
तरी क्लॅरिफाय करचे
Now I will tell this.
एक काढला पळय
I will show what this is. I will show what this bill is. I will show what the bill is. This is
Let him
why you did not object when I said last time?
आम्ही object केलं नाही, ते आम्ही object करतो.
But we-
Expose your witness. Expose it.
Because
My statement which I
challenge
said last
कर रहे
time.
हैं.
let him.
Sir, land
करू
grab.
शकता.
I will show what I have said. I will make it good what I have said.
तू जाताना
have a
challenge
different
कर.
view about it.
हा सांगता तुका.
I'm in a different
हा,
views.
कायद्याची भाषा आमका सांगू नका प्रत्येक फावटी. 296 गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया
I will explain.
लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोडाने प्रोव्हिजन असा आणि इतरही प्रोव्हिजन असा.
We'll see that.